The problem with the bail system is that it's not uniformly applied. Coming through an arrest in one community and going to a certain municipal court, that bail that's set for that particular offense may be much higher than if it came through another community. For instance, the city of Cleveland now is on a mission really to grant personal bond to as many defendants as possible. And I agree with that. The purpose of bail in the first place is to ensure that the defendant comes, but also to ensure that the public is safe during the pendency of the case. If those two things can be accomplished with little bail or no bail, it should be. But what you're seeing is that all of these different communities that go to all these different municipal courts have different bond schedules, so that what might be a $5,000 bond in one community will be a $10,000 bond in another community. It's just a strange luck of the draw whether or not you're going to have to, pay 10% on a $500 bond or 10% on a $10,000 bond. That can't be corrected until it actually gets to common pleas court and it goes in an arraignment system. But by that time, the individual may be in jail for up to a week or longer. And therein is where the real inequities of the system are. Until we can figure out a way to have uniformity across the board on applying the bond situation, I think those inequities will continue to exist. And I understand all the reasons why they should not exist. When an individual is charged and arrested, he's presumed innocent. From the immediate start, he has things he needs to do in the defense of his own case, including looking for and hiring an attorney, looking for and obtaining the evidence that might show his case to be in a good posture. If he's in jail, he can't do that. If he's in jail and he misses work, he may get fired. I understand all that. But we're going to have to come up with some uniform system on how we set the bonds for these individual cases, or that will continue to exist.